Did you know that one of the most popular health foods in America is silently sabotaging your hair growth? It's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. And what's worse, most doctors and nutritionists are actually recommending it. Today, I'm going to reveal the foods that are secretly destroying your hair from the inside out, and the revolutionary cellular approach that's helping thousands of people over 50 regrow thicker, healthier hair without expensive treatments or risky medications. By the end of this video, you'll discover the 3 power foods that provide the exact nutrients your hair follicles are desperately craving, the popular health food that's blocking your body's natural hair regeneration process, why most hair supplements fail to deliver results, and how stem cell technology is revolutionizing hair health by addressing the root cause most people miss. If you've been frustrated by thinning hair despite trying all the right things, this information could be the missing piece you've been searching for. Let's start with a shocking truth. Hair loss isn't just a cosmetic issue. It's often a visible symptom of deeper cellular dysfunction. When your cells aren't functioning optimally, your hair is one of the first places it shows up. Think about it. Your body considers hair growth non-essential for survival. So when your cellular health is compromised, your body diverts resources away from hair production to support more critical functions. This is why so many conventional approaches to hair loss fail. They're treating the symptom, not the cause. Most people don't realize that by the time you notice thinning hair, the underlying cellular dysfunction has likely been developing for months or even years. Your hair follicles have been gradually weakening at the cellular level long before you started seeing more hair in your brush. Here's where most experts get it wrong. They focus exclusively on external treatments or isolated nutrients without addressing the fundamental cellular malfunction that's causing the problem in the first place. The truth is, your hair follicles are incredibly complex mini-organs that require optimal cellular function to produce strong, healthy hair. When cells malfunction due to deficiency or toxicity, your hair is one of the first places it shows. As Dr. Berg points out in his research, hair is primarily made of protein. But simply eating more protein doesn't always solve the problem. Specific amino acids play crucial roles in hair regeneration. One study found that over 90% of people with alopecia were deficient in a single amino acid called histidine. Histidine is a precursor to histamine, which is involved in immune reactions and healing. When you're deficient in histidine, you can't properly build the keratin protein your hair needs to be strong and hydrated. But here's the critical insight most people miss. Histidine doesn't work alone. It requires specific cofactors to function properly. Vitamin B6, the right copper and zinc ratios, and folate, not synthetic folic acid. Without these cofactors, the histidine in your diet can't be properly utilized to support hair growth. This explains why some people can eat plenty of protein but still struggle with thinning hair. Another crucial amino acid for hair growth is leucine, which stimulates collagen production in your hair follicles, making your hair stronger and more elastic. Leucine also helps you absorb iron, a deficiency commonly linked to hair loss. When your cells are functioning optimally, they can make the most of these nutrients to support robust hair growth. Based on the latest research and our cellular health framework, these are the 3 most powerful foods for supporting hair regeneration. First, organ meats, especially liver. Liver is nature's most concentrated source of folate. It's also rich in vitamin A, iron, and B vitamins that support cellular regeneration. You only need about 2 to 3 ounces once or twice a week, not daily consumption. Second, quality animal protein. Grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, and pasture-raised poultry provide the complete amino acid profile your hair needs, These proteins also contain the sulfur-containing amino acids that are essential for keratin production. Third, shellfish. Shrimp, scallops, crab, and lobster provide the perfect zinc to copper ratio that your hair follicles need. They're also rich in selenium and other trace minerals that support cellular health. Just 2 servings of shellfish per week can make a significant difference in your hair's thickness and shine. What makes these foods so powerful is that they provide not just isolated nutrients, but the complete spectrum of cofactors your cells need to function optimally. Now for the revelation that might surprise you. One of the most popular health foods that's actually sabotaging hair growth for millions of Americans is unfermented soy products. Yes, I'm talking about soy milk, tofu, soy protein isolate, and other processed soy products that have been marketed as healthy alternatives. Here's why unfermented soy is problematic for your hair. First, phytoestrogens. Soy contains compounds called isoflavones that can mimic estrogen in the body. These phytoestrogens can disrupt your hormonal balance, which is crucial for healthy hair growth. Second, enzyme inhibitors. Unfermented soy contains enzyme inhibitors that block the very digestive enzymes you need to break down and absorb proteins, including the essential amino acids your hair requires. Third, phytic acid. Soy is high in phytic acid, which binds to minerals like zinc, iron, and calcium. Remember how important zinc is for histidine function? Soy can block its absorption. Fourth, goitrogens. These compounds in soy can interfere with thyroid function, and thyroid imbalances are one of the most common underlying causes of hair loss. What's particularly troubling is that soy is hidden in countless processed foods, from protein bars to salad dressings to meat alternatives. Many people consuming these products have no idea they're sabotaging their hair health. Traditional Asian cultures have consumed soy for centuries, but they typically ferment it first. Now that we understand the nutritional foundations of hair health, let's explore why a cellular regeneration approach is so revolutionary. Your hair follicles contain some of the fastest dividing cells in your body. These cells need tremendous energy and resources to function properly. When cellular function is compromised, hair production is one of the first processes to suffer. This is where our understanding of cellular health becomes crucial. There is only one disease, cellular malfunction, 2 causes, deficiency and toxicity, and 6 pathways to wellness. For your hair, this means first addressing deficiencies by ensuring your cells have all the raw materials they need to produce healthy hair, including the specific amino acids, vitamins, and minerals we've discussed. Second, eliminating toxicities by removing the substances that interfere with cellular function. But here's where the magic happens. When you support your body's natural stem cell function, you can accelerate this entire process. Stem cells are your body's master cells. They have the unique ability to develop into different cell types and to self-renew. Your body naturally uses stem cells to repair and regenerate tissues, including hair follicles. As we age, our stem cell function declines, which is one reason hair loss becomes more common after 50. But revolutionary stem cell technology now allows us to reactivate our body's own stem cell production without drugs, injections, or invasive procedures. This technology works by signaling your body to elevate a peptide called GHK-Cu, which has been shown in research to activate stem cells and support tissue regeneration. When your stem cells are functioning optimally, they can help revitalize dormant hair follicles and strengthen existing ones. Based on everything we've covered, here's a practical 90-day plan to support your hair health at the cellular level. For days 1 to 30, the foundation phase, Eliminate unfermented soy products from your diet. Check labels carefully. Introduce small amounts of organ meats, 2 to 3 ounces of liver once weekly. Increase quality animal protein. Focus on grass-fed, pasture-raised sources. Add shellfish twice weekly. For days 31 to 60, the cellular optimization phase. Continue the foundation phase nutrition. Add specific hair-supporting nutrients, biotin, silica, and omega-3 fatty acids. Implement stress reduction techniques. Stress dramatically impacts cellular function. Optimize sleep quality. Your cells regenerate most actively during deep sleep. Consider intermittent fasting, but not prolonged fasting, which can temporarily increase hair shedding. For days 61 to 90, the regeneration acceleration phase. Maintain the optimized nutrition plan. Support your body's natural stem cell function with stem cell technology. Add specific hair-supporting herbs like saw palmetto and horsetail. Implement scalp massage to increase blood flow to follicles. Remember, hair grows approximately 1/2 inch per month, so visible results take time. But many people report noticing less shedding within the first 30 days, with new growth becoming visible around the 60 to 90-day mark. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't just improve your hair, it supports your overall cellular health. Many people report improvements in skin quality, nail strength, energy levels, and cognitive function as additional benefits. Let's address some common questions about this approach. What if I'm vegetarian or vegan? If you avoid animal products, you'll need to be especially strategic about your nutrition. Focus on complete plant proteins, quinoa, buckwheat, hemp seeds, fermented soy products only, tempeh, miso, supplemental vitamin B12, zinc, and iron, algae-based omega-3 supplements. Consider adding eggs if you're vegetarian but not vegan. How does blood type affect this approach? As mentioned in one of our reference studies, eating according to your blood type can optimize your results. Each blood type has different digestive capabilities and nutrient needs. This is why some people thrive on certain foods, while others experience inflammation from the same foods. What about supplements? While whole foods should be your foundation, strategic supplementation can help, especially for biotin, supports keratin production, silica, strengthens hair structure, vitamin D, most people over 50 are deficient, and omega-3 fatty acids, reduce scalp inflammation. Can this approach help with hormone-related hair loss? Yes, but with some modifications. Hormonal imbalances often contribute to hair loss, especially during menopause for women and andropause for men. The cellular approach addresses the underlying cellular dysfunction that makes hair follicles more vulnerable to hormonal fluctuations. How does stem cell technology fit with this nutritional approach? Think of it this way: the nutritional approach provides your body with the raw materials it needs, while stem cell technology activates your body's natural regeneration processes to use those materials more effectively. It's like having both the building materials and the construction crew working together. Your hair is a reflection of your internal cellular health. By addressing the root causes of hair thinning at the cellular level, you can support not just healthier hair, but overall wellness and vitality. In our next video, we'll explore the surprising connection between gut health and hair loss, and why healing your digestive system might be the missing piece in your hair regeneration journey. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Your support helps us continue providing this life-changing information to more people.